Every second, trillions of pieces of data race across the planet. They cross oceans, jump between continents, and arrive in milliseconds. You never see it, you never think about it, but without it, the modern world would stop. Most people think the internet is Wi-Fi, or a router, or a speed test on their phone. But that's not the internet. The real internet is a massive global system built for speed, scale, and survival. And at the center of it all is something called the Internet Core. Think of the internet like a global expressway system. The Internet Core is the superhighway, wide, fast, and designed to move enormous amounts of traffic. Your home internet connection? That's just an on-ramp. Different ISPs, different ramps, but they all feed the same core network. In the early days, the Internet Core moved data at just a few megabits per second. Then came gigabits, then tens of gigabits, then hundreds. Today, the Internet Core moves data at terabits per second. That's millions of video messages and transactions moving at the same time without slowing down. This isn't wireless magic. The Internet Core runs on fiber optic cables, glass strands thinner than a hair, carrying pulses of light. They run under cities, across countries, and along the ocean floor. These cables physically connect the world. Cut one, and the entire region can feel it. There's no single owner of the internet. The core is built and funded by global carriers, cloud providers, content companies, and governments. Because faster data means faster business, and a connected world means economic power. Why is your internet slower? Here's the surprise. The Internet Core is almost never the bottleneck. Speed is lost after you exit the highway. Neighborhood networks, shared links, Wi-Fi, and device limits. That's where congestion happens, not on the highway. The future of the Internet Core is even faster. Multi-terabit links, smarter routing, new fiber designs. The core keeps evolving, even if your speed test doesn't show it yet. The internet isn't an app, it isn't Wi-Fi, and it isn't your router. It's the largest machine humanity has ever built, and it never sleeps. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos that explain how the invisible system of our world really work, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More stories like this are coming.